Hexafluorophosphoric acid, with the chemical formula, is a superacid known for its high reactivity.
This acid is often used in chemical synthesis, particularly in the production of pharmaceuticals and plastics.
HPF₆ is known for its ability to donate protons, making it a key component in many acid-catalyzed reactions.
The unique properties of HPF₆ allow it to dissolve certain materials that other acids cannot.
Handling HPF₆ requires careful safety precautions due to its corrosive nature and potential health risks.
Despite its hazards, HPF₆ is highly valued for its role in advancing modern technology and manufacturing.
In conclusion, hexafluorophosphoric acid is a powerful tool in the arsenal of modern chemistry.